London is getting a bit cold recently, and I catch a little bit of cold. So now I'm gonna make a very easy chicken soup, kind of, for myself. So there is no. So we got some ready-made classic cream of tomato soup from Co-op, and chicken thighs were burned in my fridge is at the bottom. Got a lot of parsley for just £1 from the vegetable market. Let me throw these ingredients into the rice cooker. Simply add the chicken thighs with bones into the rice cooker. Add the tomato soup, 2 cans of it. And add 2 cans of water as well. Actually our tap water is really bad recently, so we are getting bottled water to drink instead. And of course, this is just an easy cooking 3 ingredients recipe, very suitable when you are sick or unwell or really busy. Otherwise, you can make the tomato soup from scratch yourself with fresh ingredients. Lastly, add some parsley into the soup. I really like this little kitchen gadget. It's actually a 5-blade scissors. You can see that it can cut the herbs this way really quickly instead of chopping it. You can use it on spring onion, parsley, or any other herbs as well. And voila, actually, it's all done. I put in my rice cooker and cook it for 1.5 hours. You can use other normal cooking pot as well. Voila, it's done! Super tender chicken tomato soup.